Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to pin a message only for yourself in a Telegram chat using the latest features. If you want to keep important information right at your fingertips without notifying anyone else in the chat, this method is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where you want to pin a message. This can be any private chat, group, or even a channel where you have permission to pin messages. Now scroll through the conversation and find the specific message you want to pin. This could be a crucial reminder, a helpful link, or anything you want quick access to later. Once you've found your message, single tap on it. On most devices, this will highlight the message and bring up a menu with several options. Look for the pin option in the menu and tap it. At this point, Telegram will ask you to confirm how you want to pin the message. You'll see two options: pin for me and pin for me, and contact name, or pin for everyone if you're in a group. To pin the message only for yourself, simply select Pin for Me. This ensures that only you will see the pinned message at the top of the chat, and nobody else in the conversation will be notified or see this change. Tap Pin to confirm your choice. That's it. The message is now pinned just for you. You'll see it appear at the top of the chat window, making it easy to find whenever you need it. Pinning messages this way is a great way to stay organized and keep track of what matters most, without cluttering the chat for others. If you ever want to unpin the message, just tap on the pinned message banner and select Unpin. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to pin messages only for yourself in Telegram chats, keeping your important notes always within reach.